There we go, got one, guys. Let's go. That is so sick. Another one. Literally next cast. We're freaking on them, y'all. You, what are we doing today?
We're looking for some stripers.
Huh?
Stripers.
Stripers, let's get it. Yep.
That is
Let's go. So chubby right now, feeding up. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. You, what are we doing today?
We're looking for some stripers.
Huh?
Stripers.
Stripers, let's get it. Dude.
Oh my god.
Got him.
Oh my god.
Got him.
Oh my god. It worked.
It freaking worked. Let's go. Dude. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Let's go, dude. I can't believe that worked. All right, y'all, I just got that striper on a little swim jig with a 5-inch Z-Man diesel minnow. Nice fish. We saw him on the graph. I see him, I know they're down there, and it looks exactly like striper, and I'm like, they gotta eat something. So I just straight up dropped my swim jig down there. It's like a 3/8 ounce swim jig. Current's taking it. I was like not really expecting to get a bite. So first fish in the morning, downtown Wilmington. Sun's not even up yet. Oh, that feels good, y'all. All right, y'all, so official intro now. Welcome back to another video, y'all. So as you can probably tell what we're doing, me and my buddy Sam are out here in downtown Wilmington. We're going after some striper, y'all, and today is not our first day doing this. We came out here the other day, spent literally all day out here, sun up to sundown, and only caught 2 fish. And it wasn't like 2 fish back to back or something, or like 2 fish in a row or something. It was 1 fish. Sam caught one first thing in the morning.
Big glide bait.
On a big glide bait, on his big, show him real quick.
On the Livingston shad.
Livingston Lures shad. Dude, shut up. Sam just hooked up on the swim bait.
That's a striper.
Dude.
A striper, baby.
Dude, already?
On
the big swim bait?
Oh, dude, get up.
I'm literally flying the drone right now. I'm trying to get B-roll. Look at that, y'all.
Tagged.
First striper of the day, and it's tagged.
On the big swim bait.
On the big glide bait.
Let's get him in.
Nice, bro. Downtown in the background.
Yes, sir. Boom.
Hell yeah, Sam.
That's my first striper ever.
First striper ever, and
On
I wasn't even.
Bait.
Yeah, I wasn't recording yet. I was actually flying my drone, getting some B-roll, and he caught one on that like first thing in the morning. We just pulled off to that same spot that we were at, and I was like, all right, sweet. So it seems like today is probably gonna be a good day.
that changed very quickly. After that, we fished around. We've been all up and down this river, all around downtown, all up the Cape Fear, up the Brunswick River. We've been all over this river that day and fished all day without any other bites until the sun went down and I was fishing a topwater lure and I got bit.
Oh, I'm on.
Oh,
I'm on.
no. Yes, sir.
There's a good one, dude. Dude, that was sick on topwater. Oh, it's a good one, dude.
Boom.
It's a good one. It's a good striper.
Come on.
It's not as big as I thought, but that's a good one, dude.
Boom.
Yes,
About,
dude.
baby.
Oh my gosh, y'all. It has been all day.
Dude, that was
There we go, y'all. Boom! Striper on topwater. First striper of the day for me, second one for us in general for the day. Day's coming to an end, sun has already gone down, but we're gonna see if we can't get on to a little topwater bite at the end of the day. This could be the last one though, who knows, but we're gonna get him back in the water now. Oh, they don't like to wait. They no, they did not want to wait for the good release shot, camera shot, I guess.
We're fishing around this first spot of the morning and was marking some on the graph, and I was like, all right, so they're here and they're deep. I was expecting them to be shallow, and they're in probably like 12 to 15 foot is where I was seeing them a lot. Actually, no, probably like 12 to 18. But that gave us a little bit of intel and gave us a little bit of a hint as to what we can do. So we got some swim baits on some big jig heads and stuff, and we're just gonna go try to fish. We're about to go fish around some bridges. So stay tuned, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We're gonna see if we can get some, and yeah, wish us luck. Hopefully today doesn't turn out like the last time.
Yeah, right.
All right, good luck to us. Stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's see if we can get some striper. I know. Yep.
Oh my God, yes.
On, y'all. We're on again. Let's go. Oh, it's a pretty good one, dude. Let's go, Sam.
Boom, baby. That is a good one, dude.
Let's go. Dude, that's a stud. He's so fat. All right, cast up in there. Look at that. Right on the top of the mouth. This, I think it's like a ½ ounce redfish eye, or maybe a trout eye jig head from Strike Eye, or Eye Strike, sorry. And then a 5-inch diesel minnow. You guys have seen me fish this bait for all types of saltwater species. I caught striper on it last year. That is a stud, probably about a 4 or 5 pounder striper right there. All right, y'all, getting a weight on this guy, then a release. He's 5 pounds, 3 ounces, right there.
Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Love it. Love that Cape Fear striper. All right, you get a release.
Wait.
All right, whenever you're ready, buddy. There he goes. Boom! Let's go. All right. From the river, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, no, it's not the color. You're good. We're good. You're gonna get one.
Jesus!
Let's go.
Dude, look how fat he is!
They are freaking chubby, dude. They look like white, or yeah, they look like a white bass. There's another one, y'all. Probably like a little 2.5, 3 pounder. So fat. Look at that belly. Look at that freaking belly, dude. They're so chubby right now, feeding up. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you, buddy. Oh, little backflip. Boom, let's go, y'all. I think it's a ½ ounce jig head, 5-inch Z-Man diesel minnow in a Houdini color. Throwing it on a 7'6" medium heavy fast action rod, 8:2-to-1 gear ratio reel, and then I'm throwing 20-pound fluorocarbon. This is what I like to flip for largemouth with, and we're just jigging on the bottom. Yeah. I'm sorry, dude. I can't help it. Oh. Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh, thank you. All right. Oh, wow. That GoPro wasn't recording. Nice.
All right, y'all, there's my third one. No, fourth one. Probably another 4 or 5 pounder. Stud, they're so fat. So freaking fat. Love it. I'm trying to get Sam onto one. You will get one today. Oh, God, they do not want to wait to get a good release video. Like, I just want to watch them swim away. All right, well, there's another one on that same bait, y'all. I'm trying to get Sam onto one. We're gonna see if we can get somewhere else. Stick around, stay tuned. Let's get another one. That's a fish. Little guy. All right, back on him, y'all. Just what I thought. Right when that tide switched. But we're at the same bridge that's on the other side of the river. Definitely a lot smaller guy, but I'll take him right now. Let's see if he wants a nice calm release or if he's just gonna flop straight out of my hands as soon as he sees the water. Yep, as soon as he sees the water, he's just gone. You on?
Yep.
Let's go, Sam. Yes.
Finally! He's a little guy. He's a little guy.
Got him?
Yeah.
I don't care, dude. Let's go. All right. Yes, y'all. Finally got Sam onto one. Came back to the same bridge as this morning. Tide is completely switched and it's about to switch again. Let me see him. Yes, sir.
He looks like a crappie, bro. He's just mine.
Yeah, not the biggest one, but hey, think about it.
Jesus!
Dude. Yes, y'all.
Oh,
That feels so good. All right, they're here. Came back to the same bridge as earlier. Yeah, we've been all around the river, went all the way. We just got back from fishing down past the port. This bridge is really all everywhere where we've been catching them. I'm snagged, but that feels good. Finally got Sam a fish, and hopefully there's gonna be more here. Usually striper don't hang out alone, so there should be more here. It's just a matter of if we can catch them or not. I'm gonna get unsnagged and see if we can get some more, so stay tuned, y'all. All right, y'all, so after that last one, Sam and I fished the river for the rest of the day, all the way until the sunset, and didn't catch any other fish for the rest of the day. It was definitely a weird, kind of tough couple days on the river where the bites were few and far between, at least for us it was, and this was only my second time targeting striper out in the Cape Fear, so I don't know if this was considered a good day or if it was considered an average or tough day, I don't know, but it seemed like it was tough for us. We tried a ton of different places, we tried a ton of different baits. What I think worked the best for us was just that jig head with the swim bait on it. It's definitely a very simple but effective striper bait. I see people all over the country and everywhere that you can catch striper catching them on baits just like that. But we also caught that one on topwater. We also caught one on a big glide bait, which was pretty interesting. Tried a bunch of different lures throughout the whole time that we were out there, a bunch of different places, areas. Tried around bridges, docks, creek mouths, you name it, we probably tried it. And we tried a whole lot of different areas. We went all the way up towards the 140 bridge, all the way down towards the port. We went up the Brunswick a little bit. We fished fished around downtown. We covered a whole lot of water, but we got into that one bite where I caught those 3 bigger ones. And, you know, I was really hoping for Sam to get onto one. I don't know why he couldn't catch one. We're fishing identical baits, the same exact baits, casting in the same areas. And, you know, that's just how fishing goes sometimes. One of your buddies could be catching them just really good, and it could just be the simplest thing that he's doing different that you're not. And even though you're trying to do the exact same thing, and it feels like you're doing the exact same thing, sometimes that just happens. And, you know, I felt really bad about it, but Sam and I would go back out there and get some more in the future. But when we were fishing that bridge, it was probably like less than an hour away from dead high tide. So the tide was just about to hit its peak. I caught that one little one on the other side of the river at the same bridge when the tide started falling and it started going the other direction. And when it was like less than an hour away from dead low tide, Sam and I went back up to that same bridge, and that's when he caught his first fish of the second day. And I really don't know why we couldn't catch any more after that. If you guys have any tips, definitely leave them in the comments below. I'll really appreciate it, or shoot me a DM on Instagram. So yeah, y'all, Sam and I definitely had a tough time, but it was still really fun going out and getting to see downtown Wilmington and exploring the rest of the Cape Fear River. You know, we went to some parts that I haven't been to yet. If you guys haven't checked out my striper video from last year, I'll leave it in one of the cards up above and in the link in the description below. And speaking of the descriptions, y'all, I just want to let you guys know that I now have Amazon affiliate links in the descriptions of my videos. I literally found everything that I could possibly use, from the baits and stuff that I use in each video all the way to the fishing tools, my camera gear. I have all my camera gear listed, all my favorite fishing clothes, so stuff like my favorite fishing hoodies, my favorite fishing shirts, my favorite fishing boots, shoes. I don't have pants yet because I haven't really found like a really good pair of fishing pants besides just like jeans or shorts or something. When I do, I'll add that. But yeah, everything I love to wear, everything I use, basically, I'll have it linked in the description below, and you guys can go check that out, shop around if you want to. If you buy something through those links, I'll make a small percentage of it. And if you buy anything on Amazon at all, it doesn't have to be just what I have linked. If you buy anything on Amazon at all within, I think, 24 hours of you clicking on it through that link, if you buy something on Amazon, I will make a small percentage of it, and it'll help me out a lot. So if you guys are feeling generous and want to do that, definitely check that out. If you're buying anything on Amazon at all, just go click on one of those links, find it on Amazon, order it through that link, and it'll help me out a lot. So just want to let you guys know. I also just want to apologize for the lack of videos, y'all. It's been like a couple weeks since I posted a video. Right after New Year's, I was gonna try to get this video edited and done and posted the first week of January, but right after New Year's I ended up getting sick and I was in bed for like a week, and I felt terrible and couldn't edit, couldn't film, couldn't fish or anything. And so finally I'm getting this video done and out there. I'm ready to get out there and target some more fish for 2022. And so not really starting off 2022 that strong, but that's okay. We're still gonna hit it hard this year, y'all. And so yeah, y'all, hope you guys have a happy new year. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Jamie. I'm from North Carolina. I do saltwater and freshwater fishing here on my channel. And if you like what you saw in today's video, definitely subscribe. And if you already are subscribed and supporting me, thank you guys so much. It really does mean a lot to me. And so yeah, y'all, with all that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. Share this video with a friend if you think they might enjoy it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Yep.
That is Let's go. So chubby right now, feeding up. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, I'm on. Oh. Dude, that was sick on top water. Oh, it's a good one, dude. Ooh. It's a good one. It's a good striper.
Look at that, y'all. First striper of the day is tagged
on the big swim bait.
On the big glide bait.